Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Today we're gonna make honey sesame salmon steak. Let's begin. 2 salmon fillet, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper, and lightly salt the salmon. Marinate for a couple minutes and set aside. Moving on to the next step, let's make the honey sauce. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of warm or hot water mixed all together and set aside. Next, prepare 5 cloves of garlic, 1/2 stalk of lemongrass, 1/2 lemon sliced into wedges. Now, with all our ingredients, let's begin to cook. On high heat temperature, add the cooking oil. Pan fry the salmon, skin side down first, for about 2 minutes. Then, turn the salmon over and cook for 2 minutes. Add the garlic. Next, the lemongrass. And after, the sliced lemon. Next, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And lastly, pour the honey sauce mixture. Lightly add salt and freshly ground black pepper. Reduce the sauce until it's sticky. It's probably 2 to 3 minutes. And it's ready. Let's wrap up. Garnish with red chili pepper and fresh dill herb.